Hey, what's up? Today, well, this video is kind of fucked up, but today we're learning about how to use a wood-burning stove. This is a Royal, I don't fucking know. It burns wood. We have this for pressure for propane that heats this up. It's my wood burner. I got me some wood and some starting aids here. Now, I've already had this going, but to add more wood, but I figured I'd make a video about if you have one of these, how to use it. If yours is ice cold, you've never used it, this top part here, you open up, and you'll see some embers in there, like that. And if you have nothing in here, you need to put kindling in first. Then you put wood on top of it. Then you ignite it. You just want to start a campfire. This right here opens and closes to allow, well, you can't see it, but in there you allow it to send more heat out of this tube. My house is already pretty hot. It's pretty hot in here as it is. But basically all you're going to do, come to your wood pile, grab some wood, toss her in there. And then as it burns, it'll, burn the wood and whatnot. And I'm going to throw a couple more pieces in here though for the night. It's getting late. You want to make sure you don't put too much in at first. If you do, it's going to get really, really hot really, really fast. But that should be good. What you do is you got wood in there. You're going to close this. Now, you turn on your master and your fan. This fan blows air into this to keep the fire wanting to go. And then the heat will come up through this. Now, I got a vent here so you can feel the nice hot air through this. That's all you gotta do. And then down here, when you get ashes, you open this up, and when it's cold, then you clean the ashes out. But really, all you're doing is when you open this up, you just want to start a fire. Just open it, and you're gonna want. I have fire starters in my torch here to make it easy. But if you want to get, you're gonna want it kindling first before you just throw logs in there. And then once this is on, the way it looks inside is like that, and I'll blow fire at it. So that's what you gotta do. Free, somewhat free heat. I like it because it's cheaper than propane right now with the way the economy's going. So I like having this thing here to be able to burn wood for my heat for my house. And yeah, so if you have any questions about a wood heater, let me know. I'll be glad to help you. I was unsure how to do it, and then I figured out my own. I just started throwing fire or wood in there and started burning it. This goes, needless to say, but this pipe is hot. Don't touch it, okay? Fire comes out, the heat through the exhaust into the air into your chimney. Don't go like this and then burn your hand. It's hot. But yeah, so just want to show you guys the wood heater. I decided to end up buying one of these for my shop versus buying a propane heater because I have a ton of firewood and trees on my property, and quite honestly, I don't really feel like spending X amount of dollars on a propane heater plus the propane and everything else when I can just buy a wood heater for cheap and use that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to get a furnace motor essentially to blow it. I'm going to put ductwork in the shop like this all the way down. So it'll blow heat in the shop all the way down the shop. And basically the setup is out in the shop. So, but alright, that's all for now. Any questions, let me know. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this, that means I'm helping you out if you're this far in the video. And that's the case, be cool, subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll talk to you guys later.